Our Rube Goldberg starts with fire being applied to a string, which is separated. This is showing the first energy transformation, a gravitational potential energy, which is the string before anything is done to it, to thermal energy, which is the heat breaking the string. After the string is separated, the car is let into motion, which is a gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. The car, before it is released, is a great example of a significant store of energy, because the car is being held back on an inclined plane. Once it is let go, the car rolls down the ramp and hits the ruler out from underneath the volleyball. The volleyball is also a great store of potential energy because it, too, is being restricted by the ruler on an inclined plane. Once the ruler is knocked down, the volleyball is set into motion, a gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. The volleyball travels slow because of friction. The volleyball rolls down the ramp and hits a smaller ball, causing another gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. The collision between the two balls also causes incidental work, because the small ball continues to roll after being hit, but it is at a lower speed. Next, the small ball falls onto the heater, where the ping pong ball is located. The force of the small ball hitting the heater causes the ping pong ball to fall, which is a gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. Once the ping pong ball has fallen off the heater, it bounces into an area where the fan is. The fan exerts electric potential energy, which is transformed into kinetic energy by pushing the ball into the direction of the tube,
which is a gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. After all the dominoes have fallen, the last domino falls into a car with a magnet on it. The domino pushes the car halfway to the magnet on the other side, but the magnetic force is able to pull the car magnet and the other magnet together. This displays an energy transformation of magnetic potential energy to kinetic energy. This connection causes the string to be pulled out from under the golf ball, a store of potential energy, because it is being held back from motion. This is gravitational potential energy, and once the ball is set into motion, it is converted into kinetic energy. The golf ball rolls down the chair and down the ramp, where it proceeds to hit another golf ball. The golf ball needs this inclined plane, which is a simple machine, to be able to build up more force and therefore produce more work on the other golf balls. Same energy transformation happens to a third golf ball, and then after that, a fourth golf ball. Once this happens, the last golf ball rolls down the tube, and its force causes a video game to fall over. The video game falling is another gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. After it falls, it connects with a small yellow ball. Lastly, the ball is pushed down the ramp and into the cup. The yellow ball is an additional example of gravitational potential to kinetic energy transformation. This project clearly demonstrates the law of conservation of energy, as it started off with one energy form, endured several different transformations throughout, and ended with another different form of energy, showing that energy cannot be destroyed or created, only converted. It maintained a sufficient amount of efficiency as well, because it had enough energy left to put a ball into a cup.